Welcome back, everyone. This is Coach Char with part 2 of living room bowling. So in part 1, you saw that I was able to bowl with my right hand. I was pretty successful. So today I'm going to challenge myself and try with my left hand. This is my non-dominant hand. So I have 2 tries to try to knock all 10 pins down. Let's see if Coach Char can do it. Left hand. Let's go. All right, I was able to knock down 1 pin, the number 1 pin. I have 9 more. Second try, here we go. All right, I was able to knock down a total of 6 pins. I still have number 5, number 3, number 6, and number 10 still standing. That was my non-dominant hand, my left hand. Living room bowling with Coach Char. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. See y'all next time. Peace.